Quick debugging print statements.
One of the fastest ways to debug without an IDE is using print statements. Simply insert print commands in your code to display variable values or program states at key points. This lets you track what your program is doing, spot unexpected outputs, and see where logic might be going wrong. It's straightforward, language agnostic, and works on any system.
Using the command line for testing.
The command line is a powerful tool for running and testing code. You can execute your scripts directly from the terminal, pass arguments, and quickly view results. For compiled languages, you can often add flags to display warnings or extra messages. Redirecting output to files helps you analyze logs and error messages later.
Reading and understanding error messages.
Pay close attention to error messages your program outputs. Simple as it sounds, reading errors can reveal a lot about what's going wrong. Most languages provide line numbers, types of errors, or stack traces. Search for unclear messages or codes. They often lead to solutions found in documentation or community forums.
Checking input and output files.
Errors often come from incorrect inputs or unexpected outputs. Open and inspect any files your program reads or writes. Compare actual outputs to what you expect, and try running your code with different inputs to see how it responds. File comparisons help isolate issues, especially for data processing scripts.
Using basic debugging tools.
Some languages include basic debugging tools that work outside of full-featured IDEs. For example, Python's PDB module, Node.js's built-in debugger, or GDB for C programs can all be run from the command line. These let you step through code, set breakpoints, and inspect variables interactively, helping you pinpoint problems.